and welcome to this lesson on generative AI. If you've ever used ChatGPT, or experimented with AI-generated art, or seen deepfake videos, you've already encountered generative AI in action. But how does it actually work? How can AI create new content, whether it's art and design, music composition, content generation, fashion and design, or even video game development? In this lesson, we'll break down generative AI in a simple, easy to understand way. We'll cover what generative AI is and how it differs from traditional AI. The key technologies behind generative AI, including neural networks and deep learning. Let's dive in. Let's start with a simple definition. Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can create new content instead of just analyzing or responding to data. These AI models can generate text, images, music, videos, and even software code, often with impressive accuracy and creativity. So, how is generative AI different from traditional AI? Traditional AI, also known as discriminative AI, focuses on tasks like recognizing faces in a photo, identifying spam emails, recommending products based on past purchases. It classifies and interprets existing data but doesn't create anything new. On the other hand, generative AI goes beyond recognition and actually produces brand new content. It can write an article based on a short prompt, generate an image from a text description, create music in the style of a famous composer. Here are some practical examples of generative AI in action. 1. Text generation. Also referred to as chatbots and writing assistants, are AI-powered tools that helps writers draft articles, emails, or even poetry. They generate human-like responses in conversations. Some popular examples include ChatGPT, Bard, and Claude. 2. Image generation. This AI helps designers generate new logo ideas or enhance photos. Tools like DALL and MidJourney can create stunning artwork from simple text descriptions. 3. Music and audio creation. They also benefit from AI, with systems like OpenAI's Jukebox generating original songs in different styles, while voice synthesis tools produce realistic AI-generated voices. 4. Video and animation. AI can be used to create deepfake videos and bring static images to life with automated animation techniques. Some examples include InVideo and ClipMagic. 5. Coding and software development. AI models like GitHub Copilot assist programmers by suggesting real-time code snippets, improving efficiency and streamlining the development process. Generative AI is rapidly evolving, making it one of the most exciting advancements in artificial intelligence. But how does it actually work? Let's explore the key technologies behind it. 1. Neural networks. This is the foundation of generative AI. These models mimic the human brain by processing data through layers of interconnected neurons. Different types include feed-forward neural networks, FNNs, for simple tasks, convolutional neural networks, CNNs, for image processing, recurrent neural networks, RNNs, for text and speech generation, and transformer networks, which power advanced AI models like ChatGPT and DALL. 2. Transformer models. These models, such as GPT and BERT, excel at understanding language by using self-attention mechanisms to analyze word relationships. They are essential for AI chatbots and text-based AI applications, improving context comprehension and generating natural language responses. 3. Generative adversarial networks, GANs. Consisting of a generator and a discriminator, GANs create hyper-realistic images, videos, and music. They are widely used in AI-generated art, deepfake technology, and fashion design, pushing AI creativity to new levels. 4. Variational autoencoders, VAEs. Unlike GANs, VAEs focus on understanding data structures to generate diverse and creative outputs. They are used for music composition, artistic image creation, and modifying visual content, such as altering a person's appearance. Let's recap. In this lesson, we covered what generative AI is, how it differs from traditional AI, some core technologies used in generative AI. Generative AI is revolutionizing the way we create and interact with content. As it continues to evolve, we can expect even more advanced, creative, and personalized AI-generated experiences. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching.